So I just got this package from TMC, or the Model Center, and so we're gonna take a look and see what's inside this package today. Everything in this box I got for under $100. So some things are used, but still counts, right? But yeah, around $100. So let's see what we have. My first time opening this package, and my box cutters really seem to suck. But what can you do? Something I need to get a hold of and get some new box cutters. So they're really not cutting. Kind of funny. So TMC does pack things well, so I'll give them that. And so remove the packing slip. Like normal, they usually put in a good amount of this packing material bubble type stuff, and all of the models just slipped out. So take a look here and see what we got. The Farish models are all, they have this tissue paper on them, so can't really see them right now, but we'll fix that pretty soon. And so Dapol, this one is used, and I like it. It's weathered. It is the 7-plank wagon. That's the product code, just in case you're interested. But yeah, 7-plank wagon, has metal wheels. The couplers aren't necessarily NEM, but that's okay. This is another Dapol wagon. This is, I believe, new. I can't remember off the top of my head, but it's the Caribbean Wagon Works. Probably not saying that right, but also really nice. It's my second one. It's product code, and got nice metal wheels. No NEM pockets though. And I'm really excited for this one. I've been waiting for the new Peco tooled wagons, so I'm really excited because they should be much better than the old ones. And I have my Lund wagon here, and unlike the Dapol ones, these do have NEM pockets, couplers, still Rapido, but it does have the NEM pockets, and improved metal wheels, I believe. I could be wrong about this, but I believe Peco went through a phase where it was, you know, the metal wheel like material. I think they coated the wheels in metal, but it wasn't, you know, actual metal. So that's the product code if you're interested in that wagon. Now I have the Middleton wagon. Also has the NEM couplers and the new wheels, and that's a product code right there if you're interested in looking that one up. And yeah, so now just an empty box. So this is the lot of rolling stock I got. I noticed that I didn't have many, but like I said, around 100 pounds, or 100 USD rather. So I'm really happy about all of these. So let's unwrap the Farish models so you can see what I got. And a little bit tricky, but not too bad to get these things off. Makes it feel a little premium to some degree. And I got an MR brake fan. So I'm kind of short. I only have one. So this one has this is a new tool model, has NEM pockets and metal wheels, and that's the product code for you. since I didn't really do a good job showing you the first time. And here's the next one. Unwrapping the tissue paper off the box. This, I was looking at the photos and I didn't know if I like it or not, but I have to say this looks amazing. I like the ice color, and it's weathered as well. And this one also has NIM pockets. I believe it's a newer tooled model, but don't quote me on that. And I think it just looks great. And there you go for the product code / description. So I am really happy. And ice blue. And it just looks really good. I really love the weathering on that. So here's a lot. If you kind of break them all down, it's pretty worth it. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and stay tuned to watch more of these run.